Hey guys, we're at the Howard Johnson here in Anaheim, California. I'm going to be taking you on a tour of our room and some of the sites here. So let's go ahead. Looks like Isabel's already in here. This is our room. This is a 2 queen bed room. You walk in, you have a coffee machine right there, microwave, a nice fridge.
Mini fridge. Nice
place for some storage here. It's great. Got a nice TV on the wall. Nothing too crazy. And then you got a nice AC unit. We cranked it down to 66. We're from Utah, so it's only natural. Let's take a look at the balcony, what everybody's been waiting for. This is the balcony out here. We got a pool view room. You can see the park over there. You can see the monorail track. And then you come back in and yeah, you got a nice little 2 queen bed room. Nice picture of Mickey on the wall. Very festive. Haven't tested out the beds yet. About to see. On the side of the bed, you got some standard plugs on both sides. You got 2 plugs in the middle. Over here, you got 3 plugs right here. And then got 2 standard USB, which maybe they need to update to the new USB-Cs. Got a nice place for some storage if you're here with a family. Safe. You got standard bathroom. Something we always like to look at is the hair dryer. And there's the hair dryer.
Pretty good, I think.
Yeah.
This will be great.
And you got your shower right here. Pretty standard shower. And then you got your soaps in here. Some shampoo, shower gel, and some conditioner. And then here's your toilet. No bidet. Sorry, all my European viewers. Then yeah, this is the Howard Johnson hotel room. The Howard Johnson has a little place down in the main lobby, and we're gonna go down and check it out. Say hi, Isabella. There's the freeway right there. What do you think of the hotel so far?
I actually really like it. 9 out of 10 right now.
Yeah, a 9 out of 10. That's pretty good. Our journey. Outside of our hotel, outside of our room, this is building 2. We're gonna go to the mid-mod market. The pool's right here. This is the garden pool.
I'm excited to get some snacks.
What kind of snacks are you gonna get? Oh, do you want to go up there and sit in that?
I don't.
Little Castaway Cove thing that they have at the resort. Got a selection of some adult beverages here, some beers and some craft brews, some yogurts, some waters. Looks over here, they got some wine and some other snacks here. Get a little gift shop, get a little snack. If you forgot some of your pool toys, they got some of those as well for you.
Went to the little marketplace they have in building 1. Tyler, are you excited for your snacks?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
A little bit overpriced in my opinion, if you ask me, but the beers were about $4.95 each. They are Michelob Ultras. They didn't have any seltzers. But yeah, and then we're gonna go eat after this, probably at downtown Disney.
Yeah, I will say though, it's very convenient. So you don't have to walk all the way down to CVS, which is like 20 minutes out. Staying in building 2, right by the pool. How exciting. Do you have to scan in to get in, which is great.
Park right next to the room, actually.
Yeah. Baby shark door. And we're back.
Overall, I'd give this hotel a solid 8 out of 10. I think that it meets all of your needs for you and your family. It is a little dated in some aspects, but I think overall it's great. Great proximity to the park, which we'll be doing a walking tour a little bit later, and showing you how long it is of a walk it is. Thank you.